So in this video, I'm going to be sharing how I use AI and specifically Okara, a new tool that I actually purchased with their Black Friday lifetime deal. If you didn't hear about it or didn't take advantage of that offer when I shared in the GSD members group, I hope you got it. But Okara, the reason why I chose Okara is because it is a tool that is private, local, and essentially separated from the big LLM players like OpenAI, Anthropic, etc. And if you've been watching my content, you'll see that one of my values is essentially sovereignty. And this has definitely become more and more of a value for me over time. But since my value is sovereignty, which makes up part of my inner stack, and I'll share more on that shortly, I really wanted to align my outer tech stack choices with my inner stack. And so I had subscriptions to ChatGPT, Claude, all the different LMs, especially during experimental phase over the last, say 12 to 18 months. But after experimenting with all of them, I did start to see some flaws or some concerns. And so in order to practice what I preach, I went ahead, purchased Okara, and am now able to use multiple models, as you can see here. And these are open source models, all right? And instead of being limited just to ChatGPT or Claude, etc., I can now switch between a bunch of different open source models from US ones all the way to Chinese ones. And to me, this gives me a lot more freedom, flexibility, and most importantly, some sovereignty around where my data goes and not having to choose between any one company.